heck is that water coming from? What's going on, guys? On today's adventure, we're going to be exploring the Hardy Dam area. I saw on an app I have that shows me all kinds of trails and stuff around the area that there's a trail that goes around Hardy in a loop. It's not a very big one, but I never really knew it was there, so today we're going to go check it out and see what it's all about. Let's get to the adventure. Okay, we made it, and as you can see from the sign behind me, there's quite a bit to do over here. But what we're going to be concentrating on today is right here. There's a hike spot right down that way. We're going to be moving over there pretty quick, but I used the chest cam not long ago and I didn't really like it, the chest strap, so I'm going to actually be switching to the head strap. So let's get that on and get on the hike. Somewhere out there, I hear, there's a bridge under the water, big suspension type bridge, as well as a small town or village. I'm not 100% sure on that. I have to look into it. Another future adventure. Take a walk over there, see what that sign's all about. Looks like this is the trail. I'll check the boardwalk out on my way back. Yeah, it's a really cool tree. And that's the Muskegon River. I wonder if it's as cold here as it is down in Newaygo. And don't move as fast here, but I don't really want to swim in it yet. I already did that, and it was cold. Be a sweet place for a rope swing. Well, this is pretty cool. Yep, Boy Scouts did make this. Good job, Boy Scouts. This is a nice bridge. What? Where the heck is that water coming from? Interesting. No, I feel like I have to find the source of that. See what I can do. Doesn't look like there's a source of that water at all. Just another hill right over there. Oh. Underwater spring, I suppose. That's interesting. Well, we're gonna head back. It's a pretty cool trail. Well, that concludes another hike. So, yeah, that was a pretty nice hike. I enjoyed that. Not a bad trail. I'd give it, out of 5 stars, I'd give it a solid 4 just for personal preference. I prefer hikes that are more challenging. Not exactly expert level, but more challenging. It's hot in here. But overall, that one is not bad. It's definitely a good one you can take your kids on. And they'll love the heck out of it. Gets them outside, away from, you know, Fortnite and that crap. Gets them outside in nature, and it's a great place to do that. I'll put right here. I'll put a picture of Google Maps so you can see where it's at, and just follow the trail. So if you guys enjoyed the content, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And we'll see you on the next adventure.